Hello my brothers and sisters in nerdiness, welcome back to the Spider's Web, and in this video we're going to be doing yet another unboxing. We have quite a few of unboxing videos to do. This is going to be one again from the Mythic Battles ISFET Kickstarter campaign, but it's not for ISFET. No, it's once again for Mythic Battles Pantheon, and this is Keepers of the Soul. Looking nice. So what do we have? Sharon, the only significant being to continue his duties in the underworld, welcomes Hypnos and Thanatos back to the realm of the dead. Both of these brothers covet the throne of Hades, and seek the favour of Sharon, but one who's lived since the dawn of time won't be so easily convinced. Let us open up and have a look at who these are. Now, I am quite a big fan of Greek mythology, and I know a little bit. I definitely do not know everything about it because, let's face it, no one can, I believe. But Hypnos is one is a name I recognise. Thanatos, not so much. I have heard it, but I don't know anything about him at all. So, let us open the box and see what's inside. Here we go. So, I'm not getting fooled again. I'm making sure everything is out of the box before I start complaining that things are missing. So let's start. We'll put the minis to one side. We don't want to see them yet. We have Fistful of Songs, and we're using the Styx board for this. And we also have the French translated version. Let's have a look at the quality of these. Much better, yes. I feel happier for our French-speaking brethren that it's not going to be a case of all the instructions are going to be as blurry. Let's just hope I don't get it this time. Nope, still sharp. So, yeah, really nice. Yeah, everything is sharp, fully legible, and quite happy with that. So, here we are. So this is the little mini adventure that we have, and they're the two brothers, Thanatos and Hypnos, and on the front we have Sharon, the boatman. Next we can open these to find what we have. Okay, so first off we have the boards for Hypnos and the boards for Thanatos. So at least I know which one's which now. The one with the owl is Hypnos, and the one with the raven, is it a raven? Well, the one with the corvid on his shoulder is Thanatos. And we have again two boards. So we have two boards here, one side English, the other side French. So we have that, and then we have this board. Now this board also has some tokens on it. I don't know what the tokens are, but I will have a look in a second. And that is Sharon. Now let's have a look. So we have, it just says 5 tokens. So let's have a look, see if it tells us what they are in the adventure. Let's see, villager tokens, that's what they are they? Take 8 villager tokens No, the villager tokens are from the main board. These are Hypnos tokens. Please do not peel off all the bloody lettering. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't actually say. Nope. It doesn't say what those tokens are, but they are tokens. So next, let's have a look at the cards we have in this set. And again, we have our character card. So we have what he can do. French on one side, English on the other. There we go. And then we have 2, 3, 4 out of war cards for him. Thanatos gets 1, 2, 3, 4, and Hypnos gets 4 as well. So just in case you didn't see them all clearly, that's the card for Hypnos, and that's the card for Thanatos. And we'll put them back on there. But now again, we want to have a good look at these minis, don't we? I'm looking forward to being able to get down to painting. I have a heck of a lot that I am completely behind on. Let's have a look at Sharon first. There he is. And his no feet, but he's walking on stilts across the River Styx, ferrying the lost souls. Really nice. All the gold. The gold pieces that you give to Sharon lying in the bottom of the boat. Lovely, absolutely lovely. And then let's have a look at Hypnos. Slightly different pose in the picture, I think. Oh, there's a little gap in there. Not that I mind, but let's the mini down somewhat. As you can see, the little gap. Soon be filled with things, but you know, it's nice if it didn't have to be. And what looks like a long-eared owl going in to land on his shoulder. I do like these. I like these a lot. And then Thanatos with his white corvid crow raven, whatever it may be, on his shoulder. Creepy looking face. Excuse me, I was just yawning then. I think the crow or raven could have been modelled a little better, but it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter too much. Really like these models. So we'll put that on there. We'll put that back on there. These cards go on top. They will go into the storage box that I've got with all the Pantheon stuff on. And these can go into this bag, and then oops, these will go into this bag, and then everything back into the box. Once I can get everything in the bag. Well, it may be easier if I put that in there, put that on there. You know what? Just take them out, Stephen, just take them out. There's no point in keeping hold of them. And keep the tokens in because they aren't falling out yet. And we can just put these back into the bag. Hey, it's a job and a half trying to do this, you know. Oh dear Lord. There we go. They can go back in. Fold you over, seal you down, and you can go back into the box. But I'll leave them here just for the time being, so at least you can get a little bit more look at these models and the cards. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Until next time, as always, stay safe and take care. God bless, and bye for now.